Hey there, it's Kylie with WTI.
And I think you just have to check out this set of oversized director's chairs from Haquatisol. I've been looking for a set of director's chairs for a while, and the first thing that impressed me about these chairs is how light they are. I find that carrying them to the park or the river is very easy. Even though they don't weigh very much, these chairs are still really strong. They're made of a lightweight aluminum and have a 330-pound weight capacity. So when I'm sitting in them, I feel like they are incredibly sturdy. There's a table on the side of the chair with a cup holder and also a storage pouch on the opposite side, so I can bring along anything I want to keep close. The fabric itself is very breathable, which is really nice on a hot day. And I really like the simple colors that make this chair look very classy. Finally, another thing that really drew me to these chairs is that they are easy to set up and break down. I've had other chairs in the past that are just so complicated, but this chair is just simple to use. It's comfortable, and I feel like we can just enjoy ourselves in the outdoors all day long. I just love my comfortable, oversized director's chairs from Haquatisol. They are perfect for spending time at the river, camping, or wherever your outdoor adventures lead you.
And that's my point of view.